All right, welcome back to Risen Sun Adventures, everybody. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when all the adventures pop up on the screen. Guys, today we're out here in the beautiful sunshine. We're out here in the truck. As you can see, we're going to do some modifications to the Nissan Frontier. Guys, you know I've been working on this thing and it's starting to take shape. We had a little oops back around December where a deer decided he wanted to run into the side of it. Got all that fixed up, and now we're just kind of piddling around doing little things, tid-bitty here, tid-bitty there, and just trying to make everything look good. So guys, I've got two modifications that I'm going to do today. One is going to be to the steering wheel to protect it, to keep the grime and grit off of it, and then also to the door seals. I'm going to show you the products that I have, and we'll show you how to put them on. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, the first product that I'm going to be showing you today is going to be the steering wheel cover. Most of the steering wheel covers that you get at the stores, your local AutoZones and stuff like that, they wrap around the steering wheel. Well, I've liked that. It's kept my steering wheel protected, but you can see it moves, and I do not like it. I'm constantly having to go back and forth in order to keep it's centered, to keep it off to where I like to hold it, to make it more comfortable. So I was watching and looking on the internet for different products to enhance the look of the steering wheel, but also to cover up the key points to where we hold on to while we're driving. And that product came in the mail the other day, and it's in this box right here. Guys, what I picked up was it's carbon fiber wraps. They'll actually fit on the handle like this, and we'll take this one right here off, and I will show you what it looks like. We'll go ahead and take them off right now. So first thing I'm going to do, reach up here and take off that round one, and you can either throw it away, keep it for later use, or use it on another vehicle that you have. Then we're going to take these. And see guys, you can see how good they look. I mean, it's not like it's a good fit. Made out of plastic with the covering over top of it. So you're going to take this and you're going to place it onto the steering wheel. Do the same thing to the other side. Oh yeah, I like that a lot better. I mean, as far as the feel, this is usually where I'm holding on to when I'm driving, right here in this area. So it'll protect the original material that's on the steering wheel, plus it gives it that neat little look from the carbon fiber. Oh yeah guys, that right there is going to be exceptional. And guys, I'll leave a link to both of these products in the bottom in the comments section, so make sure you check them out. I think these were like $24, maybe $29. It took a little while to get here from where they came from, but like I said, they come in different colors, and I really like the black because it goes along with my truck and what I'm actually doing. So, all right guys, so that's the steering wheel cover, and now let's show you how to put on the protectant for the door seals. As you can see right here on your truck, a lot of cars, a lot of high-end cars come with some type of protectant here, and as you can see, mine does not, but you can see as you keep getting in the car, you don't really even notice it, but your feet rakes across this a lot, and after a while it's going to start wearing, it'll get dull. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a protectant film over top of that, So, all right, guys, so what I got is a roll of this stuff. It is just mainly a vinyl overlay that you will tape down. It has got the carbon fiber look, and it'll just accent the steering wheel, what I put on, and it'll protect the car. So guys, we're going to take it apart, measure it off. I want to cut the design that I want, and then we will install it onto the truck. All right, guys, I went ahead and cut the pieces like I wanted, and now I want to come in here and I want to spray this down with some water. Come back in here and just wipe up real good, make sure you don't have any dirt and grime. And this way, guys, I've already cut this, and we've got soapy water, and you want to make it liberal because this thing here, it's sticky. Peel off your backing. Get it up in there, and make sure you use soapy water, but if you don't, it's going to stick, and you're not going to be able to move it around to where you need it to be. And you want to put it right up underneath there, and then you want to fold it down right over top of that. And that's it for that part. And then what I went ahead and done is I went ahead and cut another piece the same as that for the other side. And I'll put that on and we'll show you what all of it looks like once it's done. But guys, that's as simple as you can get as far as putting it on. Rear, we're still going to make sure that we have wiped down the area real good. It's all free from all the dirt. Put it down with the soapy water just as we did. Now this one, guys, I like this tape because I can actually cut it myself, and I went ahead and cut my own design so that it would just look uniform, and I made it look the other one over there. Guys, this stuff here is reusable. That's another reason that I like it. I can peel this off, clean it up real good, get it back to where it is sticky, let it dry, and reinstall. make sure you press from the middle. And you'll have, if you have it roll up here, it's because of that soap that's underneath it. So after that starts evaporating, that stickiness will come back to it. And just go right back over it with the cloth. Press it back down. If you push it out with the rag, as you're pushing, you're soaking up the water too. Guys, this is a neat look, and I'm pretty sure, I think it was only like $8 for the roll. And like I said, I'll have all that information in the information. And there you go, guys, and that's all it is to it. I'll do the other side, and then I will show you the completed project with everything done and completed. All right, everybody, as you can see, that there pretty much wraps up this mod. It doesn't take a lot of money to do this. It was probably under $50 total. And when you buy this tape, I mean, you can see I still have a lot left. I'll be able to do multiple cars if you wanted to. So guys, make sure you pick it up. The description will be down in the information, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you share the channel. Make sure you hit your notifications so that you'll be able to share the adventures as they come about in everyday life. Guys, remember, the sun is always shining, even in the rain. Peace out, and we'll see you on the next one.